I'm here at Enterprise in Cape Coral, Florida, picking up my rental car. I was lucky enough to find a ride to get here as opposed to riding my bike, so I'm pretty psyched about that. It's so humid right now at 8 a.m. It probably was the same as it was at 6 a.m. due to the atmospheric conditions that we got going on here. So you get to the place, it's basically curbside pickup. You have to give them your credit card, you have to give them your driver's license, and that's unfortunate because you're taught not to just let your credit card out of sight. Anyway, we'll see how this goes. So the people here are very friendly and very nice, good representatives, very accommodating. I'm upgrading my car right now so that I have a bigger car for my trip home. But my questions pertain to the V and what the V actually does in terms of the process of a car being quarantined. You would think in this catastrophic event where there is this V that maybe the companies would say, once a car is returned, let's quarantine it for 7 to 14 days and let's also keep it cleaned. Let's keep a good rotation going regarding what vehicle we're giving to people, and also do our due diligence of letting, following up with the people who rented to see if they have the corona. And if they're sick, maybe we should be doing that. I mean, if we're in this realm of catastrophe,